Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is Never Lie to Your Family. Today is lecture 2, my fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given in description box. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver this lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children. Under the title of grammar, today we are going to learn about possessive pronouns and we'll cover page number 27 of your book. Before this, in your previous class, English for grade 2, I have taught you words showing possessions. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. Today we learn further and we learn to show possession by using the pronouns mine, your, his, hers, its, ours, their after the noun. This is our today's essay. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mulk, verse 19. Have they not seen the birds above them, spreading and folding their wings? None holds them up except the most compassionate. Indeed, He is all-seeing of everything. Yes, my dear children, this is a beautiful, thought-provoking verse. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking you, have you seen birds flying in the air above you? Who holds them in the air? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, it tells us everything around us is in fact a sign of Allah's supremacy. So, we should look at these things. And here, this word there, it's referring, their wings, it's referring to whom? It's referring to birds. So their wings is showing the possession of the birds. This we have learned in class 2 as well. So today we'll learn further. First you tell me what are possession words. Now in grade 2 you have learned about possession words. Pause the video and tell the answer of this question to your teacher. Then we'll proceed further. Pause the video and answer this question. Yes, my dear children, are you able to recall the possession words which we have learned? Good job. I hope you answered correctly. And words showing possessions are possession words and they show ownership. The words showing possession show ownership. As we say, what the possession words we have learned? My, our, your, his, her, its, and their. For example, this is my book. Now, this word my is telling the possession of this object, book, right? Now, there is another expression. When we say this is my book, this my, the possessive pronoun we used before noun, book. Whatever the noun is, we use this possessive pronoun before this object, before this noun. The other way to show this possession is this book is mine. Now this mine is an other possessive pronoun and when we use this pronoun, we use this mine after the noun book. You see the difference? Here it's my book and here book is mine. So book we write first and mine we write after. This is another expression to show the possession. Do you understand? Basically, this expression shows more, more strong position. Like this is mine, don't touch it. It does not belong to you, it's mine. When we want to express such type of position, we use this possessive pronoun. And mine is in routine. My is in routine and mine is for very strong position, right? So let's see the other possessive pronoun. If we are using possessive pronoun before noun, for first person singular is my, and if it's after noun, it's mine. For plural, our, and after noun, it will be ours. For second person, it's before noun your, and after noun it will be yours. For first person singular, it's his, and after noun it will remain same. For female, her, and after noun it will be hers. Before, its, after, its. Before, for plural, third person plural, it's their, and after noun it will be theirs. Now you see, to show more, like when we use it after noun, we just add as with few, and only my changes into mine. All right. Now let's see how do we use it. This is my laptop. It's mine. These glasses are mine, not yours. Okay? Not yours. This is my brother's book. It's his. Now you see, when we are using it after the noun, after the possession, we are using it with more stress. Hers. He offered to swap his camera for hers. Means he wanted to change. To swap means exchange. So he said, take my camera and give you yours. His camera for hers. I'll show you to your room. Ours is next door. The house is yours. The ship is theirs. Now you see, the ship. The possession is coming first and the possessive pronoun is coming after their. The house, possession is coming first. Yours, possessive pronoun, yours is coming after. Can you differentiate where to use my and where to use mine? Are you clear with it? Okay, let's practice it. Open your book on page number 27. What does your book says? Possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun shows possession or ownership. It takes the place of a noun that shows ownership or possession. Possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. And its examples are, this is my desk, it's mine. Okay, the scarf is yours. Nobody can use it, it's yours. The house is theirs. This house is theirs. Are you clear with it? Do you understand where we use these possessive pronouns which we have learned today? All right, so it's an exercise again given on page number 27. The word bank is there and the sentences are here. What you are going to do, choose the right possessive pronoun from the word bank. Take a pronoun and complete the sentence that should agree with the noun already used, with the noun or pronoun already used in the sentence. Okay, one is done for you. You have a new dress. It's yours. Okay, so likewise you will complete all these sentences. Now pause the video and complete this exercise. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. What you will do in your notebook, you will write 5 sentences about your family members' possessions. Means you will tell what belongs to your family members, their possessions, and you will use possessive pronouns to show these possessions. And I'm giving you this worksheet again, my fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation given in description box. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my students for practice. And students, what you will do? Here is a picture and here is another. So you will look at the picture and you will tell the possession of these 2 kids, and you will complete these sentences by using these possessive pronouns. I hope you will enjoy this worksheet, and in this way what we have learned today, we learned that the words showing possession show ownership, my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. And we also learned that the possessive pronouns when are used after noun are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. In this way, we achieved our today's SLO, that is to show possession by using the pronoun mine, your, his, hers, its, ours, their after the noun. Are we done with it? Yes, good job. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.